Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love easy crypto tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from MEXC Global to Binance app quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open your MEXC app, tap on the Wallets tab, tap Withdraw, choose the crypto you want to transfer. In this case, I'll select USDT. Now, you need to choose how you want to withdraw. Select On-Chain Withdrawal. Here, you paste your Binance deposit address. Now, switch over to your Binance app. By the way, if you haven't registered on Binance yet, check the video description for the sign-up link to register. On the home screen, tap Add Funds. Select Crypto Deposit. Choose the same token. For me, it's USDT. Select the network. I'll choose BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Now, you can either scan the QR code or copy the deposit address. I'll copy mine. Then, return to MEXC Global. Back in the MEXC app, let's continue. Paste the Binance deposit address here. Make sure to select the same network, which is BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can also add withdrawal remark. I'll enter cash flow as an example. The withdrawal fee on BNB Smart Chain is free. Once everything is correct, tap Confirm. Almost done. Before submitting, let's double check the details. Verify the recipient address and network. Tap Confirm Withdrawal. Complete the security verification. Awesome, my withdrawal request has been submitted. Now we just wait for a few minutes for it to arrive in my Binance account.
A few minutes later.
After a few minutes, I open my Binance app and the funds have arrived successfully. And that's it. That's how you transfer crypto from MEXC to Binance quickly and easily. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.